My Nana Nani are from
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
So you have the
My
Chandigarh
mother's
connection.
family is from Chandigarh, and I've had many beautiful memories as a child from this city. I was an academic research assistant for a year. Primarily, I worked on a project on gender and public space. Basically, to understand whether public amenities were equal for men and women or not.
Are they?
Of course not. This sounds like a fun place to be. ऐसे चलो अप्लाई कर देती हूँ देखते हैं क्या होता है. I was not foolish enough to think that. I knew that the struggle was going to be real. It's really special to me is a film called किस्सा. किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता कभी ज़मीन कभी आसमान ही नहीं.
Hello everyone, this is Just Kiran and Just Talking. With me is someone who doesn't need any introduction, Rasika Dugal. And I was just teasing her कि मैं क्या सवाल पूछूं. Rasika, first of all, welcome to our little tiny show. And
Thank you.
it's a pleasure having you. So to just jog everyone's memory, Rasika has made waves as the gangster's wife in Mirzapur, and she's coming back with a new season. And of course, Delhi Crime. And now you and your partner, your husband Mukul Chadha, you've also written and created this very improv film called Fairy Folk.
Yes.
Let's
which had a
start with
theatric-
Fairy Folk.
Yeah.
What is it all about? Because I seem it's an experiment.
What is it about? It's a very difficult question to answer because it's actually about relationships, about love, about loneliness, about living in a city. How this on the surface of things, it's about a couple trying to navigate a big urban city while sort of dealing with the kind of lull that their relationship has fallen into. You know, so a creature comes into their life and sort of pokes them out of that, and then things.
How did
begin
this
to
idea
unravel.
come? To Mukul or to you?
No, this is directed by a lovely director called Karan Gaur. I
Okay.
had worked with him in my first lead part called Kshay in 2011.
Oh, what? Okay.
And I had totally enjoyed that collaboration. So he came back to me after many years and said, "I'd like to do this with you." And I said, "Chalo, why not?"
So, Rasika, how many years has it been with you in the industry now?
17 years almost.
My
yes.
God. So, you from Delhi?
No, I grew up in Jamshedpur.
Okay.
I did my college in Delhi.
College in Delhi, and
I
your
was-
Nana Nani are from here.
My Nana Nani are from
Chandigarh.
Chandigarh.
So you have the Chandigarh
My mother's
connection.
family is from Chandigarh, and I've had many beautiful memories as a child from this city. And then I went to Bombay to study, and then Pune I did my acting course at
So,
the Film Institute.
growing up in Jamshedpur, you know, every child has a dream wherever they grow up. Was it always acting for you? Or first, initially, you wanted to do something else? Ke nahi, chalo, acting will be like a later on kind of thing.
No, I
Okay,
never.
were you always interested in this?
No, I never a conscious decision to be an actor. मैं तो वही कर रही थी जिसमें मजा आ रहा था. You know, so it was like I was flitting around from doing one thing to another whenever I thought something was interesting. So, for example, after I finished Sophia's, I also studied in Sophia's after LSI.
Okay.
I was an academic research assistant for a year before.
In what subject?
So I did primarily I worked on a project on gender and public space,
Why?
which basically if I start talking about it, it'll take a while. But basically, to understand whether public amenities were equal for men and women or not.
Are they?
Of course not. That we already know.
So, उधर से acting कैसे शुरू हुई?
मैंने थिएटर किया था कॉलेज में एंड इंटरेस्ट था लेकिन कभी करियर के तरीके से नहीं सोचा था एंड while I was doing this I opened the paper one day and I saw that FTI was restarting their acting course after 26 years
In Pune.
in Pune. So I said, this sounds interesting. FTI is known to have a legacy, a
Yes,
history.
yes.
मतलब फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में जो भी आया था 60s 70s में all were from the film institute. Till today, the best technicians are from FTI. So I said, this sounds like a fun place to be. ऐसे चलो अप्लाई कर देती हूँ देखते हैं क्या होता है. You know, so still no conscious choice कि मुझे एक्टर बनना है या कुछ. But once I went there and I started the acting course and I just realized that this means more than anything else I've done in my life so far. And because I had done so many other things, I knew the difference, you know, that this meant something more special. Yeah, and since then, there's been no looking back.
So, Rasika, you know, this is when you come from an upper middle class with very good education, with an academic set background, and you know, like a career looking up and everything, and you jump to acting, तो सारे कहते हैं तो privileged background से आई है, इसको तो काम मिल जाएगा. It's a pretty looking lady. Was there struggle? Did you have your initial phases of struggle? Did you
Of course.
have a lot of challenges? And which were the two main ones that you faced when you FTIS? You know, you must have thought कि अच्छा मुझे तो निकलते ही काम मिल जाएगा. But Was it the case, or did you
I
have
hadn't
to?
thought that.
Hmm.
I was not foolish enough to think that.
Okay.
I knew that the struggle was going to be real, that I
Huh.
would have to really look for work before I found something
Huh.
which would then enable me to get more and more work, you know.
Mhm.
So I never came to Bombay with the idea कि अब मैंने FTI से acting course कर लिया तो मुझे काम मिलेगा. इस भ्रम में मैं कभी नहीं थी.
Did you give yourself a time span? Okay, let me see if I get anything
I
in
had
this.
actually earlier thought 5 years,
Hmm.
but when 5 years happened, I realized 5 years is too little.
Too little. But in
But-
those 5 years, you got work.
You know, I always managed to find myself work, and even though yes, I have to accept that there was a privilege, I have to say that also I was from a small town. I had to make ends meet in a big city. It's not like there was money coming in from anywhere, you know. So I had to make sure that I
You
had,
make the financial decisions. You
I had to
save
make
your
sure
money.
that I had enough money for rent and to live a regularly decent young person starting out life, you know. So I remember that audition का call आता था, ad auditions होती थी और हम घंटों वहाँ मेकअप लगा के धूप में गर्मी में खड़े रहते थे कि ad audition में कहीं मिल जाए, because ads were good money and you know it would take care of the bills while you were looking for the other work. So it was not an easy
So
run at
other
all.
work, because you know everybody says कि मैं हेमा मालिनी बन जाऊंगी, मैं अमिताभ बच्चन बन जाऊंगा. Were you looking for lead roles, or you just going for good roles?
I was looking for good acting roles.
Okay.
And in fact, there were many people from my class in FTI who had come to this with the idea that they want to be a star, and they had ideals, like you said. You know, like there was this one guy who was a big fan of Mithun Chakravarti, and he really wanted to be like Mithunda. But मेरा वैसा कुछ नहीं था. मेरा शुरू से ये था कि चलो this is interesting, this is fun, and then when I became very involved in it, I wanted to really find good acting work.
So that one role that changed your life, and you know होता है ना, that's one एक that pivot movement होता है ना, that everything just changes after that. वो आपके million followers बन जाते हैं.
ऐसा देखने बाहर से देखने में लगता है, अंदर से ऐसा नहीं. It's never that one thing. It's always
So
a
maybe
bunch
2-3
of things.
or that time period where you thought, okay, Rasika has arrived.
So I would still not say that for
So
myself.
with I think Delhi Crime and Mirzapur, definitely.
You never feel that as an artist. You
That-
always
that's
feel
your humble and grounded.
That's not humble and grounded. It's reality. You know, you always seek more than you have, and that is how life is. Which is what propels you forward to do more and more work and to seek better work than what you have. I'm not saying what I have is not good. It's great. In fact, it's in terms of quantity and quality and the versatility that I've had the chance to explore is great. But still, you always desire more, right? Which is what motivates all of us every day. So then the idea that I have arrived is not a
Is not
real
there, but-
concept in my head. If it looks like that from the outside, it's great.
I think OTT has changed a lot.
The streaming services
Since
did
that.
bring that was one of the things that did help me access a wide audience. So but as a performer, I think the one film that sort of is really special to me is a film called Kissa, which I did
Yes,
with
I watched
Irfan,
it, yes.
Tilotma and Diska.
And Irfan was
And from
magnificent
like
in it.
putting
and
me on the
Tilotma.
map sort of
Yes.
point of view, I think Manto was a very important film for me.
When I watched Kissa, sorry I have to cut you, and I'm like, who is this girl? She is so beautiful.
Thank you.
I was like, not to sound
Thank you
anything,
for
but I
watching.
really, I've always found you so pleasant and charming, especially when you wrote Devdutt Patnaik and the shows that you did with him. And that really attracted me, the whole mythology thing also. It's like,
It
I
is
want to
very
read
interesting. The
about
way
it.
he talks about mythology
Yes.
actually is very interesting.
All right. So that's interesting. And finally, podcasts and Urdu poetry. The love continues for that.
Podcasts is sort of something that, you know, when I want my mind off everything else, I kind of listen to really long podcasts that just helps me focus on one thing, because there's so many small things sort of taking your energy in the way that we live lives these days. You know, it's always flitting around and you're never expected to give all your attention to one thing. And I
Yes.
don't like that. I like
Yes.
to only give my attention to one thing at one point.
Which is good.
So I think podcasts help me do that.
And one Urdu couplet you can leave us with that you really like.
One Urdu couplet that is become a mantra in my life, which is किसी को मुकम्मल जहां नहीं मिलता, कभी जमीन कभी आसमान नहीं मिलता.
On that note, thank you, Rasika.
Thank
we
you.
had a lovely, quick little chat. Next time, probably a longer time. And it
Zarur.
was lovely meeting you.
Lovely to meet you too. I'm glad we could finally do
Yes,
this.
we finally did it. So keep watching and subscribe to Just Talking.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.